Are you an auto body shop looking for a simple way for people to send you a request for an estimate and even an easier way to reply in a timely manner? What if it could be as easy as replying to an email? Damage Review is the answer. Damage Review is a photo app that is tailored specifically to your shop and your needs. It is an invaluable, secure, powerful, yet easy way for people to request an estimate from your shop, generating sales leads and, ultimately, increase sales to your business. Damage Review is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. People can request an estimate directly from your website and securely submit photos of their damaged cars using their mobile devices or computer. 2. Damage Review will then send you an email with all photos of the damage, owner's contact information, and the owner's description of the damage. 3. Once you write the estimate, easily reply with the estimate, and moving closer to converting a sales lead to a repair job in just minutes. Damage Review is an invaluable customer service and sales generating tool that you and your customers will love. Call or email us today for a demo. www.damagereview.com